All right, we are on day 6 of the Cincinnati cicadas, and there is a lot of them out here flying around today. The sun just peeked out, and I guess it woke them up, but you can see them out here flying around. You can hear them squawking. You can hear them in the background. Yeah, they're just all over the place. They don't seem as loud. So far it is 1 o'clock p.m. You can see our falcon up there circling around over the trees. But you can actually see a lot more of them today, but they're not quite as loud so far. So yeah, that today is day 6. So we'll keep this going until they start to quiet up and start to disappear. Catch you tomorrow.